Welcome to this tutorial on drop-down menus. A drop-down menu is a user interface element that displays a list of options. When you click or hover over it, the menu expands to show hidden choices. When you click away or move your mouse, it collapses back to save screen space. This is a fundamental component used on websites and applications worldwide. Drop-down menus have several important features. First, they are compact by default, taking up minimal space on your page. Second, they expand only when you interact with them. Third, they save valuable screen real estate. Fourth, they organize options into a clear, organized list. And fifth, they can allow you to select either a single option or multiple options depending on how they are configured. There are different ways to implement drop-down menus. The simplest is using the native HTML select element, which is perfect for basic forms. Custom dropdowns use CSS and JavaScript for more styled and flexible menus used in navigation. Dropdowns can be triggered by hovering your mouse over them. They can also be triggered by clicking. Some allow you to select just one item from the list, while others allow multiple selections at the same time. Dropdown menus offer many advantages. They save valuable screen space by hiding options until needed. They organize related options clearly so users can find what they need. They provide quick access with minimal clicks. Since they are a standard interface pattern, users already know how to use them. Dropdowns work well on mobile devices with touchscreens, and they reduce visual clutter on your page by hiding content until requested. However, drop-down menus can create accessibility challenges. Some menus only respond to mouse clicks, which excludes keyboard-only users. Screen readers may not properly announce the menu state to users with visual impairments. On mobile devices, touch targets might be too small, and menus can collapse when you scroll. Menus that disappear when you move your mouse slightly away can be frustrating. To fix these issues, always enable keyboard navigation. Use ARIA attributes to describe menu states, maintain visible focus indicators, and ensure menus stay open if you move slightly outside them. When designing drop-down menus, follow these best practices. Use clear, descriptive labels so users understand what the drop-down does. Ensure touch targets are at least 44 by 44 pixels for mobile users. Provide visual feedback by highlighting options when users hover over them. Organize related options together and avoid making the list too long. Menus should open instantly without any delays or loading times. Finally, make a visual distinction between disabled items and primary actions so users know what they can and cannot select. Drop-down menus appear everywhere online. Navigation menus on website headers use drop-downs to organize product categories and sections. Account menus in the top right corner let you access profile, settings, and logout options. E-commerce sites use drop-down filters to sort and filter search results. Forms use drop-downs to let you select options like country, state, or category. Quick action menus with 3 dots provide options to edit, delete, or share items. Language selectors let you choose your preferred website language or regional settings. These are just some common uses you encounter every day online. Let's review what we learned. Drop-down menus are essential user interface components that organize options into compact, user-friendly elements. Always prioritize accessibility by implementing keyboard navigation and ARIA attributes for assistive technology users. Keep your design user-centered by making menus simple, organized, and consistent across all platforms. Performance matters, so menus should open instantly without delays. And on mobile devices, ensure your touch targets are properly sized for easy tapping. Now you understand drop-down menus and can implement them effectively in your projects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.